ching, ching. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, gugupitan ko po ng bang si Bujing kasi ang gusto kong bang sa kanya yung nandito lang sa taas ng kilay. Ayan, sisimulan ko na po ang paggupit. Buchigit-chigit-ching! Bujing-jing! Wait lang na. Tara na. Tarap pa sa akin. Tarap pa kay mami.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock.
Ching, ching, ching!
The mouse ran up the clock.
Ano? Mamaya na mag-uso.
The clock struck two.
Ay! Para kay mami. Yeah?
The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck three. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock.
A few moments later.
Tanen! Ang ganda naman niya! Wow! Ganda ka? Wow! I love you! Tuyang ka na? Pagtapos gupitan ng bang, matutulog na siya. Oh, say bye-bye na. Bye-bye po! Bye-bye na. Thank you for watching! Bye-bye!